I'm coming at you guys with one of many looks I plan to do for New Year's. I'm gonna try my best to do a couple, but this is one I came up with. It's just a really nice gold smoky eye with sparkles and a bold red lip. Like, I just feel this screams New Year's for some reason, especially New Year's Eve. So the two palettes I used were these ones. This is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. I honestly love this palette. This is actually from one of the BoxyCharm boxes that I got. It's a very versatile palette. It has like some shadows for daytime, for nighttime, and I think these two shadows just screamed New Year's at me. So I don't have a name for it yet. The name of this look will be in the title if I do come up with a name, or it's just going to be called New Year's Eve, like festive holiday look or something like that. And then I used the Wet n Wild Peanuts Merry Christmas Charlie Brown, and I just dabbed a little bit of this glitter. You're not supposed to use it on your eye, so use it at your own risk, but I don't have a lot of glittery pigment shadows to use, and I thought this one screamed New Year's as well. So yeah, I really like this palette as well. I believe that's one of the ones you can't use on your eye, I'm pretty sure, because it's a face pigment, but like I said, use at your own risk if you want. But these are the two palettes I used. Again, if you want to recreate this look, just use with whatever you have. And if you guys do end up recreating this look, always message me on my makeup Instagram at makeupbyshawna093, because that is where I will always see anything makeup related. Yeah, but I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. I worked really hard at coming up with this look. I also hope that you guys liked the tutorial itself. I want to do more makeup tutorials in 2024. I know I've been doing a lot at the end of 2023, but I think in 2024 I want to try to do at least 3 tutorials a day, or not 3 tutorials a day, 3 tutorials a week, and have 2 on YouTube and 1 on TikTok. I'm not too for sure yet though. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys will really love this look. And again, if you recreate this look with whatever you guys have in your collection, definitely direct message me on my makeup Instagram. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Peace, guys. Oh yeah, and before I go, if you guys want to see pictures of this look up close of the eye or anything like that, definitely go and follow my makeup Instagram, because that's where I list every single product I use, and I always tag the brands. So yeah, peace. Let's go. Hey loves, so first I'm going in with a really nice lotion. I love using hydrating lotion. It just helps to make your face smooth before putting on makeup. I'm just using a cheap one from the Dollar Tree. You could use whatever you have and what works best for you. Then I'm going in with my favorite brow item that I own. This is called the Brow Bar by Reme. Sorry, I probably butchered the name. But if you want any details of any of the products I'm using throughout this tutorial, they'll be on my makeup Instagram at makeupbyshawna093. For a primer, I'm using my Gucci Beauty concealer because it just works amazing as a base too, and it really just sets the shadows in perfectly. I already told you guys the palettes at the beginning, but I'm using the Violet Voss Essentials palette, and I'm going in with the shade Sand. So this is a really good transition color, and it just helps to blend everything together. So I'm packing that one first in my upper and inner crease and my outer V, blending inwards, and just making sure that I'm applying a generous amount, because this is going to help to blend all the shades together at the end. For the inner crease, to deepen it, I'm using this cinnamon shade, and it's kind of like a brownish with like a red undertone. It just works wonderful as the, like, I guess you would say as the shadow that works to deepen the crease. It's just a really good blendable shade, and I love it so much, and it's very pigmented. Then we're going in with the shade Black. I believe it's called Black. I don't know the name at the top of my head because I put everything away, but it is a black shade. So this is kind of like a smoky eye for New Year's Eve, especially if you have someone that you're going out on a date with, or even if you're just going out with friends, or you're just with family and you just want to look nice for, you know, the new year coming in. I really am not good at black eyeshadow. I struggle with it so much, but it worked out today. And then on the lid part, I'm going in with the gold. That's what the name of the shadow is as well. And I'm just applying that on top, a little bit of the browns that we added, and also combining that with the black. So it's kind of like the black sort of on the lid, but not all the way. And then kind of applying that gold shadow, you know, where it's supposed to go. Then I'm going in with the Merry Christmas Charlie Brown Wet n Wild palette and taking some of those glitters on the eyelid. So again, this is for your own risk. You're not supposed to use the shadow on your lid, but I did because I've been doing it for a while. I have another one of their palettes that say that, and it hasn't affected me, knock on wood, or anything. So I just lightly pat it anyways. I don't put excessive amount where it falls into my eyes or anything. I just dab it and, you know, just like that. Then I'm just applying the concealer under my eyes and just cutting the end of the eyes to make it look sharp. Then I'm going under my lower lash line with that black and that gold again. I really like that concealer for just like making the look kind of stand out and stuff. And then I'll be going back in with concealer. People might agree and say this is too much concealer, but this is what works for me. And it really helps just to clean up my under eye area after I put the eyeshadows and stuff. And that's just my personal preference. Like, you could do how you want, but this is how I do it. And then I'm just going in with a brush and just kind of going over that edge of concealer because it always leaves like a little line, you know. Then I'm going in with my lash curler and my mascara. So you could use whatever mascara you want, any kind of lash curler you want. This is just what I'm using. And then for lashes, I'm using the LA Colors Dynamic Lashes and my Kiss Lash Glue. So I think these lashes just made the look pop even more. I was going to use a different lash, but I feel like it was so natural that it wouldn't look good for New Year's Eve. This is definitely one that looks amazing for New Year's. Then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Color Recon Black Pencil Eyeliner. I actually hurt my eye and I was freaking out because I like scratched my eye with it. So, but I'm okay. Then I'm putting some mascara on my lower lashes, even though they're so freaking tiny and small. For foundation, we're using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and this one's dewy. I've actually been loving this foundation. I know I said I didn't really like it in a previous video, but that's because I had the matte one, and it just made me look so cakey. This makes me look really nice. Like, it just blends so perfectly into my skin. It, like, melts. And it just looks fabulous. Like, it makes my skin look natural. So here I am just using a wet beauty sponge and just beating that into my face. So yeah, that's what works best for me. Next, for the rest of the face, I'm going with this e.l.f. blush and bronzer duo. This is probably my favorite thing my sister-in-law gave me. I really love this combo, and I'm just applying the bronzer where it's supposed to go, putting it down my neck too and around my jawline to make my jawline look nice. And up above, under the hair area, and down my nose. Everywhere you're supposed to bronze, I'm bronzing. So, and I love bronzing. Like, I'm still learning, but I love doing it. I feel like it just completes the looks. And then I'm going in with the blush. That might look like a lot of blush to you, but I will be blending everything out. For a highlight, we're going in with Makeup Revolution's Make an Impact highlighter. This highlight is such a beautiful, versatile highlight. I love it so much. And I'm just applying this all over where the sun would hit your face, so that shine could just bounce off my face and blind you. Just kidding. But anyways, here I am going in with another brush and blending all that out. And for the lips, I'm using a Revlon lipstick in Really Red. I freaking love this lipstick. Selena and Eric got it for me for Mother's Day, and I've been using it ever since. So here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy. And until next time, we love you guys. Bye!
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my my shadow turns to sun rays.